Good morning, class. This week we're going to be reading a new book, and it is titled Splash into the Ocean. Has anyone gone to the beach? That's where you'll see the ocean. What about digging for seashells? That's also at the ocean. We're going to do a picture walk, and a picture walk is looking at a story before we read it. So we're going to see who our characters are, what the story might be about. Okay, so our book is titled Splash into the Ocean. So here's the title of the book. It's in big bold letters. Then you can find the author. The author is the person that writes the book. And the author for Splash into the Ocean is Jen Voigt. Now, the illustrator is the person who designs the pictures. And the illustrator for Splash into the Ocean is David Spencer. So we're going to do the picture walk, then we're going to read the story out loud, and then we are going to answer some yes or no questions. All right, so our main character of the book, his name is Jaren. You see how he has goggles and something to help him swim? So he's taking a trip to the ocean, and he's going to tell us in this book, what does he see? Okay, so you might see some seashells in this story, and it takes place in the ocean. You're going to see fish that are in the ocean, and they have gills. Those are the things that help them breathe. Very good. All right, then there's another sea creature, and it is a dolphin. They have a blowhole on top of their head to help them breathe. So they breathe through a blowhole, and fish breathe through their gills. They also have fins, just like this, to help them swim faster. There's the dolphin. It's going to be color gray. All right, so here's Jaren again. He's our main character, and he's going to tell us, we will see something that has claws and has legs, and that also lives in the ocean. Can anyone make a guess? It's a lobster. A lobster has legs and claws. What else are we going to see in the ocean? We're going to see an octopus. Very good. An octopus has 8 arms. They have tentacles, and they're the color gray. Now it's time to read the story. Very good.